in Komodhai Ward, Githunguri constituency, have appealed to the government to come to the rescue of the school that seems to be falling apart. The school's infrastructure is in a sorry state and pupils have been transferring en masse to nearby private schools. Even the school's sanitation facilities cry for help, with the shortage of water threatening to expose the school community to more hazard.
The learners would like to be in rooms where they are, depending with the current status of our nation. Learners would like to have a learner-friendly school with a good classroom and with a good learning environment. So we find that most of the learners go to other schools, maybe private schools, whereby the classrooms are well built.
We have the leaky roofs and our toilet is not in good use. That's the reason we are here. We're looking how we can look for assistance.